Hey, what's up? You rocking with Dowder, man, live in the radio station, man, because we really out here just trying to chase our dreams and chase our goals. And we doing whatever we can do in any part of the world that we're at to get stuff moving and jumping. You feel me? I love music, it's my passion. So I'm out here doing whatever I could do to reach where I'm trying to get to. And it feels good being in the radio station, man. All this beautiful equipment, beautiful stuff to work with, talk to the people and connect. That's what it's all about, connecting. I want to connect with the world. I want to connect with people. I want y'all to know that, yeah, I got it. And I'm doing whatever it takes for me to get there. It's not always easy. It's not always fun, But through everything, we stay strong and we maintain. We don't switch up. So it just takes hard work, dedication, and determination. You mix those three up, the solution's success. It's like a potion. Hard work, dedication, and determination. And don't give up. Stay strong, 'cause you surely gonna get it if you believe. Thanks.